Okay, so we're here in a place called Chicote in Governor Generoso. Apparently there has appeared a vision of, or an image of Jesus Christ miraculously on this wall. So I'm going to go now and check it out and see if it is actually what they say it is. So yeah, come along and we'll see what's happening. Just saw some of these cool boats nearby. They all paint them up pretty bright. This one here's pretty cool. This is pretty much, the guy's livelihood here. This is crazy. Sheila. Pretty cool. Oh, look at that. A lot of time and effort's gone into painting this up. Someone sat there for a long time. Pretty talented, really. It looks pretty cool. And here's another one. This guy's working on it. 2019. You might have to change that soon. In the new year, it's going to be old. Lead me, Lord. There you go. Well, he's just around the corner on the wall, so maybe he can go and have a chat to him around there, maybe. I don't know. Pretty cool. This is probably one of the best ones I've ever seen, I think. Like, as far as colour and paint work goes, it's pretty cool. Pretty amazing. I mean, like I said, a lot of time and effort's gone into painting that up. It's pretty wicked. Oh, there's a dog there. You can even see the dog. So, yeah, pretty amazing. It's Tibanban Island over there. You can actually do a day trip out there. I might go out there and do a day trip sometime soon. It's not much out there, but it's pretty cool. It's a nice beach, and I think you can actually climb to the top of the island. So maybe go check it out. Kids down here having a swim. Not the nicest beach you've seen, but water's warm. Right, let's go and check it out.
Sir, you need candle?
No thanks. The guy just asked me if I wanted a candle, but I'm not really a religious person, so I'm just coming here to check it out to see what it's all about. So I'll let you guys make your decision on what you can see here. There you go. So there we have it. I guess it's up to you guys to decide what you can see there. But yeah, interesting. I don't know, but you guys sort of let me know what you think you saw. Like I said, I'm not a really religious person, so I'm not really. There's definitely some sort of image there. How it appeared, I do not know, but very religious countries, the Philippines, so something like this is quite a big deal. So yeah, let me know what you think. Cool, well that's the video pretty much on Chicote. Yeah, interesting. Like I said, religion's pretty big here, so it's a pretty big deal when something like that turns up. Like I said, I'm not religious, but you know, let me know what you think, what you saw. There's obviously an image there. Whether or not it's what people say it is, it's another thing. I don't know, but yeah, quite amazing. Apparently it's got quite big. You know, people in Davao have heard about it. Now this is 3 hours away from Davao, so I mean, yeah, it'd be interesting to see how big it gets in the Philippines. You know, see how if it gets up to Luzon and other parts, the word gets out. But yeah, anyway, cool. Thanks for watching, guys. Remember, hit that subscribe button. I've got plenty more content coming up. We're here for a while, so and we'll, you know, be coming out and checking things out like this quite a bit and doing a bit more traveling around this area. There's lots of nice beaches and things. This is pretty much my first day here, so yeah, just hit that like button and hit the subscribe button and you'll get plenty more of these videos. Cool, thanks guys. See you in the next one.